it's your girl Miss Gabri and welcome back to my channel. I have exciting news to tell you, but before that, I want us to make for my mom some millet porridge. Yeah? So yes, I'm making it for her, but I love porridge, especially in the morning because porridge satisfies people, and I want to gain weight. There has been a lot of stress at school, so I'm just so hungry right now. The only option is porridge because I want to get very satisfied quickly. It's millet porridge. So I want to eat healthy because millet porridge is healthy. I want to have a lot of nutrients in my body. Yeah. So our water over here is boiling. So we're going to do this chop because it might drain. I don't want the water to drain. So this is 1, 2 spoons. Let me see. Should I add another one? Just like this. So my cameraman for today is also my mom. Round of applause! So if you hear her behind the camera, well, she's my cameraman today. Yeah. So
milk.
We have milk here, so I'm going to use the milk instead. There. So it looks nice. See? More light here. See? So this is how we're going to mix it. You might think it's impossible to mix it, but oh no, it's not impossible. The only problem is the flour is settled on top, so we just want to stir it up to make sure that it doesn't stay on top, settle on top. Now we can see that it's nice. The next step is to just pour it inside the saucepan. Okay. So just going to get it the way it is. I just thank God I have this big cup. It has really helped me. See, but you can also use a bowl to do this. And do this and you get the spoon and then stir. Stir it up, stir it up, stir it up. Oh, it's actually enough. This will work out. There we go, guys. It's now boiling really fast. We put enough charcoal. Now I'm going to add just milk. But you guys can also use water instead of milk. Though I love milk so much, so does mom. Consider to have milk for today. I'm going to do the same thing this time. Stir it up, stir it up, stir it up. And then cover it. I'm very sure that our porridge will be ready in very few minutes. So it's easy to make millet porridge or any type of porridge, whether it's the white porridge or the millet porridge. In my language, I actually call millet porridge nyuhakal. Yes. And then porridge itself without the millet is just nyoha. So you can choose to call it nyoha or nyohakal. But since I like making everything to be easy for me, I'll just say nyohakal because I want someone to directly know that it's millet porridge. Yes? So type in the comments what you think. Are you also familiar with what I've said? If you are, then write down the tribe. Yeah? Okay. Now it's boiling. And I'll be telling you my story. Guys, the exciting news, here it comes. The drumsticks. I'm back home for half time. Oh yes, I am. I came back on Friday. Yeah, I came back Friday evening, and I was really happy. I still couldn't believe it. I'm home, and I've been doing so well in school, very well in school. I fell sick that period when I went to see Amita Mitra. But thank you so much, guys, for always watching my videos. I made sure that I leave you guys with some entertainment, some love from me to you. Thank you so much for always liking my videos. I'm just so happy to be back home, though I'll be going next Monday. So I have actually enough time to be with you guys. Yeah, I'm just really happy. Okay, let's first check on our porridge. I think I need to stir it up again. This is a charcoal stove, not a fire cooking stove. I usually use a charcoal stove, not a fire cooking stove, but you've seen me plenty of times using a fire cooking stove too, yeah? So start like this. Oh, there's no charcoal. As you can see, guys, this is very little charcoal. If we want our porridge to get ready quickly, we have to add. Yeah. So you make sure you remove the ash like the way I did. And then you get charcoal and just do this. So I guess this will be enough for us. Okay. I don't want you to see me wash my hands. Let me wash my hands. I'll be back quick. Yeah? Now it's boiling, and by a few minutes it will be ready. Then me and mom can take porridge. Okay, so I need to put 3 spoons of sugar because I like putting sugar first in the saucepan. It's way easier. I feel like you don't waste sugar that way. 1, so 3 tablespoons, yeah? 2 and 3. So we're going to mix it up, mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. I want the sugar to dissolve. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay. Now, here are the cups, 1 for me, 1 for mommy. I'm going to serve the porridge. Just put this in. Okay. Put this aside. Where is our cloth? Okay, our cloth is here. Are you ready, guys? Woo. There we go. And get this right here. See? Porridge is healthy, guys. So if you like porridge, comment in the comment section. Please like this video, subscribe and share, because others need to know how we love each other. They need to be part of our family, yes? Okay. Porridge is ready. All I need to do now Put it in the tray. This will be good. And we have some buns here.
I prefer bananas.
You prefer bananas?
Fried bananas with porridge.
It's okay. Next time later. Put this big saucepan. We might need some drinking water. Yeah, that's enough. Okay guys, so I really want to eat with my mom. The porridge, I am really hungry. And looking at this porridge, my mind is just on food right now. It's just on eating. Like, that's it guys, I am really hungry. So after eating, I'll be back. Mwah. Guys, so I'm here enjoying my porridge. See? Guys, mommy, do you like your porridge?
Maybe.
Is it that nice?
Wow, it is so delicious.
See, I told you I'm good. I'll keep making for porridge. Should I make for you tomorrow morning?
Yes, we can.
Okay.
You've done your best. And this porridge is so nice.
Thank you.
And when I take it, your stomach is full. Like full. And I love that. That was a good job.
Thank you.
Yes.